Welcome, this video demonstrates some of the VoxAid commands available for Sonocent Audio Notetaker. Wake up. Move focus left. Move focus right. Move forward 2 chunks. Press play.
So, why talk about tea?
Press stop.
Despite coffee having grown...
Split chunk. Move backwards 1 chunk. Select next 2 chunks. Merge chunks. Move forward 3 chunks. Change to chunk color 4. Move forward 6 chunks. Change to chunk color 2. Go to end of this section. Move back 2 chunks. Insert section below. Insert section break. Undo that. Change to section color 7. Move to section below. Remove section break. Move focus left. Insert after voice recognition. Move right 1 character. New paragraph. Voice recognition is commonly used to operate a device, perform commands, or write without having to use a keyboard, mouse, or press any buttons, full stop. Insert before voice recognition. Choose 2. Push text to section below. Select voice through buttons. Send text to audio pane. Show references pane. Move focus left. Move to section above. Extract text from this slide. Insert before enhance. Read out loud this text.
Enhance hands-free control and use of application software.
Create a video. Press up arrow. Press down arrow. Click cancel. Add noise cancellation. Extract audio. Click OK. Go to sleep. With VoxAid commands for Sonocent added to your Dragon Professional application, simply dictate naturally speaking commands to carry out Sonocent Audio Notetaker functions.